हेलो बच्चों, तो आज है डे 2 और हम आज बात करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कीवर्ड्स की फ्रॉम द सेम चैप्टर सेल ऑफ द बुक एक्सप्लोरेशन फ्रॉम क्लास 9th. So here are some keywords. The first one is brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. So as we all know that our brain, it controls all the activities of our body. In the same manner, the activities of the cell are controlled by an organelle that is present within the cytoplasm of the cell, and the name of the organelle is nucleus. Nucleus is called brain of the cell. Now the second one, protein factory of the cell. The organelle that synthesizes all the required protein of the cell wherever and whenever it is required. It is formed in ribosome. Ribosomes. These are the organelles that manufacture the protein for the cell. Next is manufacturing factory of the cell. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री मतलब जहाँ पर चीज़ें बनती हैं, आपके फैट्स जो हैं वो मैन्युफैक्चर होते हैं, ये प्रोटीन्स आपकी मैन्युफैक्चर होते हैं. तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट ऑफ द सेल में आपके आता है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. As we all know that endoplasmic reticulum is mainly concerned with the modification of the proteins. In the higher classes you will study that the protein that is formed in the ribosome comes into the endoplasmic reticulum, and then endoplasmic reticulum modifies it for according to the requirement at different sites in the cell. So main modification of the proteins occurs here, and that's why it is called manufacturing factory of the cell, endoplasmic reticulum. Now we'll talk about the post office of the cell. Post office का काम क्या होता है? पोस्ट ऑफिस का काम रहता है आपका पार्सल्स को इधर उधर भेजना, आपके लेटर्स को यहाँ से वहाँ भेजना. मेनली में आपका काम रहता है पैकेजिंग का, ट्रांसपोर्ट का. तो ये पैकेजिंग ऑफ द प्रोटीन्स ऑफ द फैट्स और उनको ट्रांसपोर्ट करना टू द डिफरेंट साइट्स विद इन द सेल वेयर एवर दे आर रिक्वायर्ड इज डन बाय गोल्जी complex. You can also call it apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Okay. So last but not the least is cleanup system or the suicidal bags. Cleanup system or the suicidal bags. These are our lysosomes. These are lysosomes. Lysosomes are the organelles that are single membrane bound and has digestive enzyme within that membrane. These digestive enzyme can digest their own cell whenever a cell got somehow disrupted or some tissues that are going to be worn out. So that worn out cells or tissues are digested by their own cell organelle, which is called lysosome, as the enzymes present in the lysosome are hydrolytic enzymes, and that hydrolytic enzymes has ability to break the membrane and digest the whole cell. So they cleanse the worn out organelles, worn out cells from our system. So that's why they are called cleanup system or suicidal bags. So this is all for the day. With next keywords I will come tomorrow again. So be with me at Science Solutions with Hina.